It's a red, it's a heat signature. Did you used to live in this house? No idea.
Yeah, it ain't like there's heat on in there. And that's in the shower. Okay, I'll ask that. Is there a portal in the bathroom? If so, make something go off. Shut up. Shut up.
Are you kidding me? It's sitting there.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Are you kidding me?
As soon as we ask that, it's smacked right into the house.
The bird did?
Yes.
You know what they say about,
1960s.
oh my God.
That was crazy. And the REM pod started going off. It scared the REM pod as well.
It's addled.
Yeah, it just smacked itself into a window. Stupid bird.
yeah, but that was it left feathers.
As you said, make something
That right
go
there is
off.
feathers. It hit so hard.
Bobby, you said make something go off, and there's a portal in the
Bathroom.
bathroom.
We mentioned the portal and a bird smacked into the window.
Or smacked into the-
And think about, look at where I was standing. I was standing right here. If that window had not been there, it would have smacked right into me.
Yeah.
Yeah.